Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell by today's title, I'm gonna be leaving YouTube, and I don't know if it's gonna be for good or just like a break. I'm not sure yet. Things have changed on YouTube, and it has made it really difficult for smaller creators like myself to get, views and get their videos out there. There's been a lot of algorithm changes, and they're not beneficial for smaller creators. It really is benefiting only to the larger creators. And if you don't have a large following, guess what? You're just SOL. I've never really been like super consistent with my channel, like posting on a regular basis, and I always take really long gaps in between posting. And that's me on my behalf. That's just laziness and whatever, life. I used to could get a couple hundred views per video. I mean, it'd take a little bit of time to get that sometimes, but I mean, there's sometimes I'd get thousands of views. A lot of the time I just get a couple hundred views, and even if I just hit over 100 views, I was fine. I was happy. I mean, that was worth it. But since a lot of algorithm changes, I'm not getting even 100 views. My last 4 videos have had less than 100 views. My 5th video had 424, but that was a hair tutorial thing, something that people were looking for, like a rainbow. And then the 4 videos before that, less than 100 views. I mean, it really sucks because I've spent a lot of money into YouTube. I bought 2 cameras now for it, and my second camera was an expensive one. I've got it on a good deal, don't get me wrong, but I made sure that I could turn it around and be able to see the monitor. I bought very expensive Final Cut Pro editing software. I mean, when I got it on a discount, like a huge discount years ago. But I mean, it's expensive. I mean, I bought my laptop for schoolwork originally, but I've been able to do YouTube videos. I'm not gonna lie. Lights. I bought a big giant fancy ring light that cost over like $300. I bought multiple other lights, a backdrop setup thing. I bought fancy mirror that has lights in it and a camera in it and can talk and all kinds of stuff. And I used to buy backdrops. Like, I'd go to the fabric store and hang up my little backdrops and made everything look all cutesy and nice. And it's a lot of work. And that's a lot of money to invest. And I put so much time into it because filming takes a really long time, editing takes a really long time, and then uploading can take a really long time. I bought faster internet to be able to upload my YouTube videos quicker. I have tried and tried and tried and have invested so much into my YouTube channel, and it's really just kind of heartbreaking because I used to be so determined and set, and it's hard to be determined and set on doing so and wanting to post videos and go through all the effort and the time, and if it's not getting viewed, because I do it for everybody. Like, I do it for the people that watch me and want to see my tutorials and things like that, and it just kind of sucks because it's like they're not even seeing my videos, they're not getting notifications about it. So the people that used to like watch my videos and stuff, they're not seeing them, and I am annoying so many of my Facebook friends and family and Instagram friends and family with my YouTube video, like posting it non-stop trying to get views. Even though I'm not doing the makeup videos on YouTube and hair videos on YouTube anymore, I have found TikTok, and I love TikTok. All my social media has just kind of flopped. The algorithm changes and everything just like shot it down. Like my Instagram, I get like no likes or anything, like no one sees my post or anything, where I used to get, you know, hundreds. And then like on YouTube the same thing, like it's just the algorithm change and it sucks. Well, since I found TikTok, I've been very, very happy. I film it all on my phone in the TikTok app, and so that's been kind of like a different, I mean, the quality isn't as like nice as my camera, but it is nice and it's still really good. With TikTok, I found like a really fun place. I have got over 21,000 followers, and on TikTok it's really easy to gain a following. It's really easy to have something go viral. And the amount of like views that I get on my videos now, and the comments and the feedback and the interaction that I get is more than I ever got on my YouTube. And I'm so thankful for that. And with TikTok videos, I can film them in the app on TikTok on my phone, edit them in there, and they make it so easy, and it's a lot quicker. Like I can do one in the time that I'm doing my makeup and film it and edit it and have everything post like perfect to the way that I want it posted in a fraction of the time that it would take me to film on my camera, edit on my computer, export and all that, and put it on YouTube. Like something that could take, this could take me like an hour to do, like a good hour and a half since I'm doing my makeup, where it take me like 2 days to do it on YouTube. So the tutorials, they are a little bit different. The quality isn't, you know, crisp, but it is really good quality still. And they're 1 minute, so they're not way too long or anything like that. And it's been great. TikTok is not for everybody, and I'm just glad that I found it because it has been so great for me, and it's been a really fun journey, and I hope that one day I can come back to YouTube. I still use all my stuff, like all my lights and everything, to help my TikTok videos. So I mean, I'm still getting, you know, use out of everything, and that's the best part, or not the best part, that's one of the great perks. But so many people that I can reach now and that see my stuff, and it's been really great that I can, you know, put content out for people can see it, and doing what I love is which teaching you how to do hair and makeup, and that's what TikTok gives me, and it makes me so happy. So just because I won't be on YouTube doesn't mean that I'm gone. Like, you can follow me on TikTok at Heytherebarbz, and you can see all my content. I feel like the content is better, not gonna lie. I have fun on there, I do other stuff, but as sad as I am to leave YouTube for maybe forever, or I don't know, I'm really glad that I found TikTok. Oh, my cat keeps moving my ring light. Stop. I know that no one is really going to see this video because algorithm stuff, but I just wanted to post it as like a little farewell, or if you go to my YouTube and you see, oh, why didn't she post anymore, you know where to find me at now. So I love you all, and I hope that you can all join me on my TikTok journey.